welcome to Friday Sews. I'm Christine, and this is my channel, Christine Sews a Lot. I'm going to be really quick here because we've got a lot going on. You know the drill. If you want to find other Friday sewing vloggers, you can search the YouTube search bar for Friday Sews and be introduced to all kinds of fantastic people. So I'm going to start off with what I'm wearing, then I'm going to talk about what I am working on and a little bit about life, and then at the end I'm going to announce the winner of my 1,000 subscriber celebration giveaway. So starting off with what I'm wearing, I am wearing the toile of the Chalk and Notch Wren blouse, and I got pretty close in this first version. I do believe I need to size down. I have a lot of extra fabric under the arms. This neck opening is a little bit large. And the shoulder seams are, I'd say, about 1/2 inch too wide. So I think if I go down a size and do a full bust adjustment, I should get a nice fit. So that's what I'm going to try next. I love the lantern sleeves on this blouse. And I don't know when I'm going to get around to making it because of what is going on in life. So if you've been following me, you will know that we put our house up for sale. The last video that I filmed was the day that we put the house up for sale, and it is under contract. So things are more than a little crazy here. We went from a serene, peaceful, tidy house to this. But it's all good. We are going to be moving closer to family. So we will be out of this house before the end of March. And that means we need to find a new house. We can stay with my parents for a while. They have a very large house. And Charlie was commenting last night. He said, yeah, you get some boxes packed and then you can go live in luxury at your parents' being waited on. Because that's what the plan is. I'm going to pack up as much of the house as I can this weekend. Then I'm off to my parents. I'm off to house hunt and find a house. The market where we're moving is even crazier than here. The house will come on the market one day and be off the market the next day. So crazy. We were looking at some houses where the realtor was going around with a camera and showing us the house. And it just made me so anxious to be thinking of spending that much money and committing to a house without seeing it in person. I can't tell you how anxious that made me. So we are going to pack up quickly, and I will go in advance of Charlie and maybe find a house. I hope so. But it's all good. I kind of think of this, you know, there's that saying, the calm before the storm. I think this is a little bit of the reverse. It's a storm before the calm. And it's going to be good. So that's what's going on. I did a tiny bit of sewing before the house went under contract. We were still showing the house, and I have been working on the Hudson pants. So I have 3 pairs to this point. Let me show you on these really tiny 3 toddler pair. They're just so adorable. So all I have left to do is the waistband and the cuffs. So attach the waistband, put in the elastic, put on the cuffs. I've measured the boys. I know exactly how long to make the elastic. Those will be easy. Charlie's, I want to make sure that we get the fit right. He was not happy with one of his pairs the last time I made. He kept telling me to make the elastic shorter, make the elastic shorter, make the elastic shorter. And then he decided they were a little too tight after I serged them close. So we're going to spend a little time. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the elastic in, sew it in, and not close up the back and not stitch the waistband, and let him wear him for a few hours and then see if he's happy with it. So I've got those Hudson pants done, and that's it. And I'm at a point where I've got so much going on, I don't know, I can't see when my next sewing project will happen, and that's when I just need to chill out and just let it flow, because I'm going to get this house packed up. And I did leave a few projects at my parents' house, and I will be bringing the rest of my sewing machines on this trip. So I'll probably have some time to do a little sewing there. Now on to the giveaway. So for the giveaway announcement, this is a time when I really want to say thank you to everybody who has joined me on this sewing journey. You probably have no idea how much it means to me to have you watch my videos and comment and join me in the discussions here and over on Instagram. I really do appreciate it. And that's why I started this channel in the first place. So for the giveaway, I went through, and just like Santa Claus, I made my list and I checked it twice. And I entered all of the names of the people who entered the giveaway. You did have to leave the name of 3 sewing channels that you like to follow in order to be entered, and it had to be in the time frame. So I entered the names into an Excel spreadsheet, and then I had Excel pick the winner, very random, and the winner was number 15. So I have entered it into the Excel spreadsheet, and I'm going to do the drawing now. So all I have to do is hit enter, and we will see who won. Number 15. So our winner is Cynthia Tennant. Cynthia, you won the €40 gift card to Beyond the Pink Door. And that's Cynthia Tennant. So congratulations, Cynthia. If you can send me an email to christinesewsalot@gmail.com, then we can see about getting you the prize card of the €40 gift card from Beyond the Pink Door. Thank you so much. Things are really crazy here, but I'm sure I'll be back on, even if it's just a quick hello, to let you know what's going on. Until next time, I hope you have a joyful week and that you find the good in all things, especially sewing. Bye.